pyramid, preventing being forced to restart the serve. Although I have set pyramid.reload_templates to true, for example pyramid.reload_templates equals true, each time I modify a view, I have to kill the serve process and restart it in order to see the changes. How can I get over this and just refresh the page to get the results? Thank you.
Well, I think you can add the reload flag when starting the web server. This will watch for any changes on files and reload the server automatically. ie/pserve reload development.ini
Before